The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, L.A. Lewis, the 7-star general L.A. Lewis has been arrested, and this happened in St. Andrew, and the real reason of his arrest has not been 100% confirmed. You know what I mean? However, I have 2 videos to show you of the whole incident, why he might have been arrested, you know what I mean? Or we can just watch it and get a better understanding of what really caused it. However, I'm going to tell you what has been said. It has been said that the whole incident started when he made a turn that seems to be a traffic violation. Now remember, it has been said and it is not a confirm of what made his arrest. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I have 2 videos that shows of the incident, you know. One video is from a bystander and the other video is from L.A. Lewis himself. And we are going to take a look at these 2 videos so that we can have a better understanding of the whole incident, as some people on social media is saying that the police officers is wrong and some people is saying that L.A. Lewis might be wrong. You know what I mean? So here I'm going to play the bystanders video so that you can see it from their angle. Alright, now take a look and observe.
One more area get cuffed. Joking. Joking. A big artist that, you know.
So there you have it, viewers and subscribers. That is the video from the bystander. You know what I mean? That was videotaping the thing from a distance. Now I'm going to play L.A. Lewis's video and let you have a better look and a better understanding of what happened. You know what I mean? So take a look and observe.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Sit there now. So, ladies and gentlemen, we just come around the lady and the man say, we brought the traffic act. A traffic act what nobody has ever heard about yet. And see that 20th car come on the same lane what this lady come on and me come on. So that now look like say this now is against the law now. So what do you want to charge the for? So come on.
They send me in the car left lane and it also say they tell me over 1,000 times to go right and I came like where you signal to me once to go right and then sir I'm going to come and go and he left the car.
Yes, so, so if you're going to lane, you got Portmore.
I have a driver's license document.
So, alright, so officer.
I have a driver's license document.
I will give him my driver's license document. Yeah, but what are you going to charge me for now, officer?
You fail to comply with that traffic sign. You disobey constitutional.
Disobey constitutional. Officer, you know what?
I told you to go straight more than I told you.
Go to Portmore. Officer, where are you going to send me to Portmore?
I don't know. Then why are you going the lane to go?
Officer, we don't have the lane to go Portmore. Who are there? Yeah, I'll hear this to go Portmore, boss. I never know something all of the officer because I want to comply with you because I'm going to be the next Prime Minister now. So I want to comply with you as the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. So now, officer, now, which lady that's a Portmore lane? No, which lady that's a Portmore lane? Officer. You have a Portmore lane there, sir? Nobody know it. You know a Portmore lane there, sir? I'm going to give my driver's license. So no. Oh, me no, we're going to to my you know. I'm going to go online, people. No, I'm not proprietor. Server.
Yeah.
There's a German, the man who come from Kirkman, see what the papers in here. So now people, now you see the Chinese them say now. And then them send out them money you know, for we now people. So now them thing sir.
Mr. Lewis.
Yes.
They do have a driver's license, the arrest and charge of weapons, yeah? Just inform me, yes sir? if you don't have it, they're going to carry up after you and arrest and charge you.
Yeah, charge me for what offense, officer? Yes, son. All right.
Driver's license.
No, I don't have my driver's license, no, but I have my TRN number. We'll check back to my driver's license.
You will be
Yes,
arrested
son.
and charged for this.
Officer, charge for what offense? Now, people. No, officer, you know what I'm saying now? No,
you resist, you will be charged for resisting arrest.
Resist, what can I arrest? Officer.
Commit yourself and you do have a
Commit
driver's
yourself
license.
for the...
Prosecute.
No, people, don't see this now. The officer now, they're going to tell me, say, he's going to arrest me now for complaint, see the people, or the looking up. Or the look. Or the look, or the see people, officer arrest me for come on the road, we're trying this offense.
Now, viewers and subscribers, we are going to talk right about now, but judging on what we see on the video, right? And that is the reason why I said that some things are not confirmed, because on the video you will see that he's been arrested, and it seems as if he's arrested because there wasn't any certain documents that was provided, that was needed to give to the police officer at the time. As I say, however, what you see on a video, when the video is finished, it can be a totally different story, right? So I am not going to say yes, it happened that way, viewers and subscribers, because guess what? It has not been confirmed, and I have not seen any form of reports that has been made. At least me no see certain reports that has been made. So to me, it is not confirmed, and I'm not going to mislead you, my viewers and subscribers. That's why I tell you that it's not confirmed. But I will tell you what has been said, which is the turn that was made that they said that would start the whole incident. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, we are going to talk about what we see in the video, and again I'm telling you, it is not confirmed, but it seems as if L.A. Lewis was arrested for not having certain documents. Maybe him just forget to bring certain documents with him, you know, you get what I'm saying to you, and it would look like a license. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, this video is out on the social media, and some people say that the police officers are wrong. You see me? And some people have said that L.A. Lewis was, you know, was wrong. Some people say that, you know, social media will have mixed feelings many times. You see me? Now, when me look at this, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, that turn that he's talking about is a turn that a lot of people know that place right there, where that turn really and truly used to be. But however, there is a road fixing going on. So I am looking at it and wondering, is it because the road is being fixed? You see me? But in the video, which is the full-length video that I didn't present all of it to you, my viewers and subscribers, because, you know, I just wanted to get the main point of what really happened. But in the real 100% video, it shows of other cars actually turning, right? Other cars were turning like where L.A. Lewis turned, and L.A. Lewis was pointing to them and saying, why you don't arrest these people, because they might do the same thing. You see what I say? And there was also somebody else that was being I don't know if it's a ticket they are getting them, but them stopped that other vehicle, and the other person was saying, look, it's true, these people are doing the same thing that we were doing. So viewers and subscribers, that is one point that made some people on social media say that the police officers are wrong. You get what I'm saying to you? Because of that, when them look at this, say other vehicles are actually driving at the same path that L.A. Lewis and another person drive as well. You see what I'm saying to you? And another angle, some people are saying that L.A. Lewis was, you know, like he was, you know, because he's a person that is going to talk his mind at times. You know, this is L.A. Lewis. You know, L.A. Lewis is a public figure. You know, a lot of people know L.A. Lewis over the years. You know what I mean? And so on and so forth. You see me? So, you know what, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave it right there. So, really and truly, I have to just point out the things that were social media really and truly I say, and just make you understand what I go on, and you see all the things. You see me? I say. Now, again, L.A. Lewis has been arrested, you see me, in St. Andrew, and it is said that it is claims that it is because of traffic violations or, you know, paperwork, you know, like fail to provide the documents and so on. You see me? That's what we see in the video. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, like I said, I will not mislead you, my people. So I'm going to bring the video for you to look at and tell me what you think. Alright? Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.